Okay.
Hi, I'm Bess Miller and I'm here with the students from East Marden Primary School with their parents, teachers and one of our guests. I've been mentoring the students on technology and STEMSEL and sustainability. So this Sunday I'll be going to Bangladesh to visit the Dr. Yunus Centre, and while I'm in Bangladesh I'll be helping to start another STEMSEL club, and hopefully once the students get their project started, later on in the year we'll have two sets of teams, one from here and one in Bangladesh, and they'll be able to compete against each other at the Royal LA Show in September. Also, while in Bangladesh I'll be visiting the Dr. Yunus Centre and working on the Dr. Yunus Thinker in Residence program for South Australia. So if I can just introduce everybody here, starting from my right.
Yeah, I'm Charlie, Michael's dad.
And I'm Catherine, I teach science at East Marden Primary School.
Bill Spurr from Study Adelaide.
Hi there, I'm William, Marcus's dad.
I'm Yvonne, Marcus's mum.
I'm Spurr, Caleb and Charles's mum. Hello, I'm Angela, I'm Michael's mum.
And last of all, we have Miro behind the camera for us. And
Okay, so can I have a big wave to everybody in Bangladesh?
Circle, don't we?
that's right. Do you want to start there?
Yeah. So the circle will go around and hopefully line up the.
Alright, so is everyone ready?
Yeah.
And make sure you're concentrating because it's not going to start until everyone's focused. And everyone's holding hands. So nothing happening yet. Either I'm doing it wrong or someone's not concentrating. There we go.
There we go.
Let's start it up. Can you see that, Miro?
Let the power flow.
Get your hands back.
Easy.
There they go.
Oh yeah.
Broken.
One more, okay.
Hi, I'm Michael and my friends and I want to put Dr. Yunus' achievements in Dr. Charles Museum in Sydney.